I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this VW. So from any screen into nav, it's come up on map there, so we press nav again, and then you've got your different things there which we can scroll around here. There you go, petrol stations, destination, memory, address, points of interest, car parks. So back to address, click address, and then postcode's best. So it is showing it's set to United Kingdom, which is good. So, and then from here we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston. P are defaulted to numbers 5, 4, J, S. And it's quite good. Some of the systems you have to put kind of a hyphen in between or a space in between because this has only got 2 numbers. So you see there it's click PR54JS.
The route is being calculated. The destination is in the direction indicated.
Well, we're sat on the forecourt, so it's not going to give us a proper thing, but that's how you set the sat nav.